Today we bring you to Sadar Bazaar, Agra. We have come here to try out the most amazing chaats that you will find. There is a special gully, a small lane called the Chaat Gali. Come, let me show you. This is the entrance, and you will find all kinds of different street foods here in this Chaat Gali. Momos, pani puris, you'll have these Chinese chaats. You name it and you'll have it here. It's like if you come to Agra and you don't visit Sadar Bazaar ka Chaat Gali, then what have you visited? So please do come here without fail if you're in Agra and satisfy all your taste buds.
ये कौन से वाले हैं? ओके, ठीक है। सूजी।
We all love pani puri. So the first thing that we tried was pani puri. Here you get your puris made of suji or rava. So they stuff it with boiled potatoes, chaat masala and other some masalas, and he dips it in this hing ka pani. Okay, khatta, meeta, sweet, sour, and we have it. It's the famous Pandit Ji ka chaat. So come here and have this. We really liked it, but I love the Mumbai wala pani puri better.
How is the pani puri?
After that, we decided to first have a nice look around the entire place and see what's best that we can eat. And the list was endless. We just couldn't decide. This place serves you pure veg food. Okay, so every snack that you will find here is completely veg. What we liked here is that the quality of the products used was extremely good. A nice place to bring your children here. So if you're at Agra, you must visit this place with your children. They will really love it. As we were scanning the place, our eyes finally fell on the Tokri chaat. This was just like shev puri, but they use canopies instead. Really unique in taste with this garlic chutney. Gave a nice unique taste to it. So do come and try this. The best was a Chinese chaat, the hero of the day. It comes in a platter of fried rice, noodles, Manchurian, and other varieties. A complete Chinese veg platter, which all of us enjoyed. So much so that we had to reorder it, I think twice. And we definitely enjoyed this the most. So do come here and try this Chinese chaat. Momos. So we tried the veg cheese corn momo and we had the paneer stuffed momo. Not a very big fan of veg momos, I must say. Okay, I can rate it just 5 out of 10. We did have this famous aloo chaat, the stuffed aloo, like a patty which is nicely fried, crispy, and they put over it chutneys of two kinds. You have the green chutney and the spicy and sour imli ka chutney with dahi. So it was a lovely combination. We really liked this. So do come here and try out their aloo chaat. To gush everything down and to cool our palates, we came to this faluda shop, and we had so many varieties of faluda. We tried the kesar faluda, we tried the rose faluda, we tried the pan flavored kulfi, and everything, I must say, was really good quality and supremely tasty. So that was the finale. We enjoyed every bit of it. It was 6 in the evening and we called it a day. That's it, my dear friends. We have come to the end of our video. I do hope you enjoyed our yummy video, and I hope we made you feel hungry looking at this. So do take care of yourself. Till we meet next time. Bye.